In 2015, building a website for your business meant hiring a developer, spending anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000, and waiting weeks or months. In 2026, you can describe what you want in plain English, and AI builds it for you, functional, designed, deployed in minutes. The low-code market is now worth $65 billion. 63% of people using AI app builders have zero coding experience, and 100,000 new projects launch every single day on just one platform. So how do you actually do it? 5 steps. Let's decode it. Step 1. Know what you're building. This sounds obvious, but most people skip it and end up overbuilding. A restaurant doesn't need a custom app. It needs a website with a menu, location, and a booking link. A fitness coach selling programs online needs a landing page, a payment system, and maybe a member portal. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do people need to log in? Do they need to interact with data, book, buy, track, submit? Or do they just need to find you and see what you offer? If users just read, you need a website. If they interact, you need an app. And here's the golden rule. Build the smallest version that tests whether your idea works. You can always add features later. You can't get back the months you spent building features nobody wanted. Step 2. Pick your tool based on your skill level, not hype. If you have 0 technical skills and just need a clean website, Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify. Drag, drop, done. These power millions of businesses and cost $15 to $40 a month. If you want something more custom, a web app, a dashboard, a booking platform, but still can't code, the 2026 game changer is prompt to app tools. Platforms like Lovable, Bolt, and VO let you describe your app in plain English, and AI generates a fully working application with a database, user authentication, and a polished design. Lovable alone has 8 million users and over 25 million projects created. If you can code or have a developer, AI-assisted tools like Cursor or Claude Code accelerate the process dramatically. Cursor crossed $2 billion in annual revenue because developers are building twice as fast with AI writing alongside them. Match the tool to your skill level. Don't pick the hardest option because it feels more legitimate. Step 3. Build it in a weekend. This isn't a metaphor. It's literal. Here's a real workflow. Saturday morning, open your AI builder. Type what you need in plain language. Be specific about features. Build me a fitness coaching platform with program listings, Stripe checkout, and a client login dashboard. The AI generates a working first version in minutes. Spend Saturday afternoon reviewing and tweaking. Change colors, rewrite headlines, adjust layouts. Most tools let you do this visually or by typing more instructions. Sunday, connect your domain name, set up payments, and hit deploy. Your site or app is live with a real URL, real payments, and real users can start signing up. What used to take a team 3 months now takes a motivated founder 1 weekend. Is it perfect? No. Does it need to be? Also no. You need version 1 live so you can learn from real users, not imaginary ones. Step 4. Add the essentials that turn a project into a business. First, analytics. Connect Google Analytics so you know who's visiting, from where, and what they click. Without data, you're guessing. Second, payments take minutes and let you accept money immediately. Third, a custom domain and professional email. A .com costs $12 a year. An email like hello@yourbusiness.com costs another $6 a month. These tiny investments make the difference between looking like a side project and looking like a company. Fourth, basic SEO. Set your page titles, write meta descriptions, make sure your site loads fast. This is how Google finds you. You don't need an SEO expert. And fifth, only if your customers genuinely need it, consider a mobile app. But for most businesses, a fast mobile responsive website is better than a mediocre app nobody downloads. Step 5. And this is the step most people fail. Iterate, don't perfect. The #1 killer of business websites and apps isn't bad design. It's never launching. The founder who spends 6 months perfecting their color palette while their competitor launches a rough version and starts getting customers. In 2026, the tools are so fast that there's no excuse to stay in stealth mode. Launch version 1. Watch what real users do. Fix what's broken. Add what's missing. Repeat. The best businesses online weren't built in a single sprint. They were built in 100 small iterations, guided by real feedback from real people. Your first version is a conversation starter, not a masterpiece. Ship it. So 5 steps. Define what you need. Pick the right tool. Build and launch in a weekend. Add analytics, payments, domain, and SEO, and then iterate based on real feedback. That's it. The $50,000 website is dead. The 6-month timeline is dead. In 2026, the only thing standing between your idea and a live business is a weekend and a willingness to start imperfect.